Yeah, the idea is to take the casting and to put the value add into it for the customer so they can go one place and get all their needs fulfilled at once. Not only do we give you the casting itself, but we also have the ability to give you the value added machining. We can also polish the castings for you. We can also have them painted for you as well. Hi, I'm Chuck Lane. I'm with Harbor Castings. We make ferrous and non-ferrous investment castings. We go from a few ounces up to about 50 pounds and about an 18-inch cube. Well, the term investment actually comes from taking a wax piece and investing it into a ceramic slurry and stuccoing it with sand. You then melt the wax out. Another advantage of investment castings is casting it to a near net shape. A lot of our customers take our castings in-house and then end up sending them out to be machined. We actually put in CNC machines to add value-added machining to our castings for the customer, and we are now going to be a one-stop shop for them and do their machining for them. Here's a casting that was cast, and then we went in and machined it on a lathe. This particular part started out as a bar stock. We converted it into a casting, and we cast a slot into it, and then we cast a hole into it, and at the very end we true up the diameter and we tap the side hole, giving the customer a huge cost savings versus a bar stock piece. None of these four pieces here are machine parts. These all start out as a casting, and then Harbor Castings does value-add machining. On this one we put the threads onto it and tap some holes into it as well. This one we're machining out the center and also machining the shaft of it, and this one is turned on a lathe. Complex shapes is a very good advantage. In this particular case, this is a shackle for repelling. We cast the teeth, and you also cast all the holes, and this is a finished part. Whereas in the old days, you would have had to machine this out of a piece of solid. You can also do some very thin walls with investment castings and also cast the holes into the part, therefore making this a complete part once it's been cast. One of the questions we get asked a lot is what's the volume requirement for investment castings? I have one customer that takes one piece because that's what their need is. We also have volume up to 20,000 pieces a month. I'd say the sweet spot in investment castings is somewhere between 500 to 1,000 pieces at a time. A lot of people out there think investment castings are very expensive and that the lead times are very long. I think it's just the opposite. If they need a 2-week delivery, we'll give them a 2-week delivery. We will go better than what standard deliveries are in the industry. Harbor has many inventory programs where we hold the inventory for our customers and we ship product to them on a weekly basis.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.